everybody. Today we're going to try our hand at the butter swim biscuits. I needed some biscuits to go with my meal for my family. So we're gonna try these real quick. Preheat your oven to 450 to begin with. Go ahead and get 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do all dry ingredients first and sift them just a little bit, make sure they're good to go. You're gonna need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 4 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 2 teaspoons of salt. Alright, that is my dry ingredients. I did not have buttermilk for the recipe, so I'm letting my milk sit with a little bit of lemon juice in it so it can clabber just a little bit, and that's going to be buttermilk. Alright, and 1 stick of butter, you'll need that. I had 1 stick of unsalted butter, real butter, not margarine, and I've melted it in my microwave. Let me check on that. Okay, never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. So I've sifted all my dry ingredients, they're good. And the next thing I'm supposed to do, and if you look, this milk kind of looks spoiled. That is what I did to it to make it work for the recipe. Alright, so let's stir this together. And it's supposed to make a very moist dough. And I'm hoping it will, and I won't have to add anything to it. But it looks really too wet for me, but we'll see. Let's give it a minute. Okay, so I added a little bit more flour to this, but it just didn't seem like enough. So hopefully it'll all still turn out just right. Still seems a little bit soupier than it should. So the next thing that you need to do is, get this out of the way. Mess a little bit here. Alright. So an 8x8 or a 9x9 square pan would work. Take your butter that's melted and pour it in here first. Alrighty. So I didn't really have to spread out my dough. I kind of poured it, kind of going backwards a little bit. That way it kind of spread itself. You can do that, or you can try to take a spatula and kind of, let me see if I got one I can use. Kind of move it around a little bit, you know, like this. And I think your butter is supposed to come up over them like that. Alright, now, the next thing you have to do is you have to kind of cut the unbaked dough. And it's basically swimming in the butter. And you're supposed to cut it into 9 pieces, which shouldn't be a problem. Oh, this is going to work without making a mess. There we go. Just kind of hold your knife up and down. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully it'll stay while it bakes. Okay. 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden brown on top. So we shall see. I'm going to put this on a baking sheet that way in case it does run over. It won't mess up my oven. Alright, I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, so the biscuits are out of the oven. It took a little bit longer than I think it should have. Hopefully they're done. I don't know because I haven't really cut into them yet. But there you go. Butterscotch biscuits. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me if you want to see some more biscuit recipes or any recipes actually. See y'all next time.